Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hopefully all of you are fine at your homes as we all are aware about the COVID-19 pandemic. So you cannot come to your school. But PIP school system is going to provide you with your lectures at your home. So stay home, stay safe. Today we are going to start our first lecture from the unit number 1, and that is human body. Our today's topic is brain. So students are going to learn about the brain, and question number 1 is what is cerebrum, what does it do? Learn and write it in your notebook. So here is a diagram which is showing a brain of a human body. So these are 4 parts: blue, yellow and pink and then green. All of these are parts of cerebrum. ये सब पार्ट्स जो हैं वो सेरिब्रम को शो करते हैं, क्योंकि सेरिब्रम के फर्दर 4 पार्ट्स होते हैं: फ्रंटल लोब, पैराइटल लोब, टेम्पोरल लोब एंड occipital lobe. So all these parts are showing the cerebrum of brain of human body. Question number 1 is what is cerebrum? What does it do? So this is question number 1, and the answer is, so here is the answer. Cerebrum is the biggest part of our brain. Cerebrum हमारे brain का सबसे बड़ा हिस्सा होता है. Cerebrum part is used to think different things like words, shapes and languages etc. जो cerebrum है हमारे brain का सबसे बड़ा हिस्सा होता है और हमें मुख्तलिफ चीज़ों के बारे में सोचने में हमें हेल्प करता है, जैसे कि words, अल्फाज, then shapes and languages etc. So this is your first lecture. So you have to learn this and write it in your notebook. Thank you.